EquatIO Mobile lets you use your phone or tablet to add handwritten math, images, and more into your G Suite apps and EquatIO Math Space. It's a mobile companion to EquatIO on your Chromebook or computer. To get started, go to m.equate.io on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're in Safari on an iOS device and Chrome on an Android device. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your active documents screen. EquatIO Mobile will find the G Suite apps and math spaces that you have open with EquatIO on your computer or Chromebook. The list will automatically update. Choose a math space or document to start inserting some math. To handwrite math right on your phone, choose Draw Math. When you're done, tap the check mark. You can convert your handwritten math to typed math by choosing Save as Math. Then tap the blue Insert button to add it to your document. You'll see your math instantly added to the math space on your computer or Chromebook. You can also insert your handwritten math as is by choosing Save as Image. This is great for students who may not have a touchscreen device on their desk, but they've got a tablet or have a phone in their pocket. The Record feature lets you dictate math into your microphone. X equals 60 degrees. Tap the check mark to convert to math, and tap the Insert button to add to your document. The Math Image feature lets you snap a photo of some math, like a worksheet or a problem you solved by hand. Tap the check mark to convert it to math, and tap Insert to add to your document. You can also take a photo and add it directly. In addition to the EquatIO Math Space, you can also use EquatIO Mobile to insert math right into G Suite. On your active documents screen, you'll see your G Suite files that you have open on your computer or Chromebook with EquatIO. You can use the same features here to insert into places like Google Docs, Google Forms, or Google Slides. To learn more about EquatIO, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit the link below.